Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by making sure the speaker has steady power and a stable Wi-Fi connection. This prevents bricked firmware. Open the Google Home app now and sign into the same account linked to the device. Tap the device card, then the settings icon to view firmware status. This tells you whether an update is pending. Once done, place the speaker near the router if signal is weak, and keep your phone on the same network so the app can push the update immediately. You tap Firmware or System Update and choose Install if it's available. The app downloads the package to your phone and then pushes it to the speaker. While the transfer and install run, do not unplug the speaker or force close the Home app, because interruptions can corrupt the update. The speaker may restart multiple times. That's normal. Make sure your phone stays on the same Wi-Fi network and on screen during transfer, so the process completes without timeout or failed verification. Once the speaker finishes restarting, check device settings to confirm the new firmware version and test basic voice commands to ensure everything is responsive. If the update failed or the speaker won't boot, reboot the router and the speaker, then try updating again. Often a network drop causes most failures. If problems persist, perform a factory reset as a last resort. Make sure you've recorded Wi-Fi credentials and your Google account info, because you will need to set the device up from scratch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.